Hello, Pritha. How are you?
Hi Vidhi, I'm fine. How are you? How are you doing?
I'm I'm all great. And how are you going? Like, how are you spending your time in this lockdown?
Lockdown, it's really very productive. I've made myself, busy. Now
Mhm.
I've started taking care of my health, which is very important now. So got a
Yes,
little bit
yes.
into workouts, yoga, and all that, bringing back my
Okay.
flexibility and all that. Yeah, working on that.
Oh,
Yeah, it's great. It's great.
amazing. Okay. So first, thank you so much for participating in Sitaro Ki Jang by Crafty Media Arohan.
Yes,
So, Pritha,
thank
how did you
you.
like the concept?
Yeah, it's a very nice concept, I would say, because normally in social medias we used to interact with our fans, and I think this is also another way in which we can get to know our fans, how much they love us. Already they love our work so much and they appreciate our work, and now it's time for them to thank them and interact with them and spend some time together with the fans. And I think that's very important because they give a lot to us, and it is now our time
True.
to give our time to them. So I think it's a very nice concept, and I wish you best of luck for the team. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Also, they are extremely excited because they will be able to participate, like they will be able to showcase their talent to you and to everyone else.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so Pritha, tell me about your journey from a dancer to the winner of Dancing Khiladis.
Okay, so most probably I've told in all interviews. When I was small, I really hated dancing. I really didn't want to dance because I was a lazy person. But it was my mom's dream that she imposed on me, so I had to fulfill it. But I was very lazy. I've tried so many things. I've done mischiefs. I've done so many notorious things to get out, kick out of the class. But my teacher and my mom, they didn't they had that confidence that they would really bring out the good in me, and they continued their efforts in teaching and encouraging me. And yeah, it just evolved, and it was where generally I was very much lazy. I don't want to go to class. I'll sleep. I know when the dance classes are scheduled, so when I come back from school I used to sleep. So my mom
Okay,
used to yeah, so actually I used to act like sleeping and all that so that she
okay,
wouldn't take me to class. But
okay.
it was my mom who had to change my dance uniform, and she'll take me to the class. And when I hear the jadi beats and all that, and I'll start crying and I want to go home. I've done so many bad things, but uh, the interest actually started where, see, we are girls, we are so much fond of
Yeah,
makeup and wearing on new
absolutely.
clothes, putting on new
Yeah,
jewels. And if someone praises us,
yeah,
we'll be like, oh, okay, yeah, I'm ready to do anything
yeah.
now.
Yes,
So
yes,
it is
absolutely.
where, so it was my first Navratri, my first Dasera, and yeah, where I had to perform in a temple.
Okay.
So yeah, and my mom, she got me new clothes and new jewelry and makeup and the mehendi, the alta. We used to say the red one on the
Yeah, the
hands
red
that we
one.
put for classical and all that. So I put all that, and yeah, makeup and all with kajal, lipstick and all that. I was very fond of lipstick. So and
Everyone,
finally,
all the
yeah,
girls are found in
yes.
lipstick.
So finally, I performed. I really got very good compliments after the program. And when everybody started complimenting me and telling me everything
Appreciating
good
your
about
dance.
dancing, yeah,
Yeah,
appreciating, I thought, yeah, let's give it a try. And then from there, my dance
we
career,
all
my
learned.
interest into dancing started. My dance career actually started when I was in sixth grade, where I had
Okay.
an opportunity to do in an ad shoot. So in the ad shoot, where this guy named Rinsen, he's very popular in Tamil Nadu. He's a very brilliant dancer. So he saw me and he told, "You have
Mm-hmm.
very good dancing skills. So why don't you try this reality show?" And he gave me the number for the audition, and I went for the audition, got selected, and I got into the reality show. But for me, reality show was very much new. not only to me but also to my mom and my parents, because we are
Yes,
not from
yes.
the media industry. We're just normal middle class family, and we had no idea about what reality show is. And it was really very new. The cameras, seeing one big set with judges and anchors, and the whole technical
Yeah,
team, yeah, and all that.
it
I
would
I
have
was
been
really
quite a challenge for you.
happy, excited, nervous, like all emotions
All the
into
all
one,
the feelings and
combined into
emotions.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but then I was only trained in classical, and I know to dance a little bit of folk style. I was not well
Okay.
versed, and I was not aware of Western side of dancing and all that. So when Western styles and all came, it was very challenging for me, because as a classical dancer, when you attempt a new Western style, you will really you'll have a little bit of classical touch, a body language. You'll have a classical body language. So that was really very challenging for me. And in the event where I had to be eliminated, but due to my
Okay.
previous performances, I had a good score. So the director gave me another chance. Kala Master, she
Okay.
gave me another chance, and she gave her own assistant to choreograph for me. And yeah, his name is Bala Master. He's no more.
Oh,
And under his guidance, I went into the finals. I was the only girl contestant among the finalists, and but I
okay.
couldn't win, because I fainted when I was dancing in the middle of giving the finale act. I actually fainted, so I
Oh,
couldn't continue my performance. So the Kala Master, she gave me 20,000 rupees, and she gave me another chance to participate in season two. So it was in season two where I went to finals and I got the runner-up position. From
you
there it
won.
started. So my dance
Okay.
reality show, yeah, I won the runner-up position. I was the runner. I didn't win. I was still the runner, but I was very happy because I didn't give up. Both the seasons, I went into the finals, and it was in second season. I won it. So I at least won the runner-up position. It was I was very happy, and
Yes,
from
yes.
there it
It's
started. It's a very big achievement where in the sixth
yes,
grade
yes,
or
it is.
yeah, it is. And getting some good amount of money as cash prize and all that, it is really
Mm-hmm.
encouraging. So yeah, from
That,
there my reality show started. And due to my board exams, I had to quit media 2 years. For 10th and 12th, I quit
okay.
media. I quit the dance.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I entered into college, I again started participating in reality show. I got this reality show named Kings of Dance in Vijay TV, which is a very popular show. And I did a dual performance. I dual contestants. We were dual contestants. I paired up with a girl called Lakita, and even she was also a very
Okay.
good classical dancer. And we went into the finals,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, we placed fourth, and we were the only girl duos in the
Okay.
finals. So that was also a very big achievement
Okay.
for me. And I got the best stylish
That
dancer of
is.
the season award. And that I got a Fastino bike. So that was also a very big achievement. That too in front of
Okay.
Prabhudeva Master, which was another big happy moment for me.
Okay.
And from Kings of
Yeah.
Dance only, I was able to get into Zee Tamil Dancing Killadis. And
Okay.
Dancing Killadis is not a normal show. It is a very difficult thing, because you have to perform a task, and you have to dance. That is, you have to dance underwater. You have to dance on a 60 feet
The
height,
snow.
and you have to, yeah, snow,
Snow and all.
fire,
Yeah.
rain, everything was there.
Okay.
So it was very challenging, because there'll not be any rehearsals, or you'll not have any attempts in front. Only during the
Mm-hmm.
shot you have to dance. So that was a very challenging part, and I really got a very good pair. His name is Puvi Arasan. Now he's currently acting, a very big actor in Zee Tamil. So all thanks to him, because if you don't get a very strong partner who can trust, and who's trustworthy, who's also
Mm-hmm.
equally talented, and who's also experienced, you will never achieve more. So it was because of him, his support, and he was mentoring me. So it was all because of him
Okay.
we were able to, put up everything together, and whatever problems came, we sorted out together, and finally we won the title, and it was amazing. and I was very happy that day because I was able to fulfill my mom's dreams. So that
Yeah.
was a very happy part. So yeah,
You
so this is,
yourself are a celebrity mentor
yeah,
in
now.
shows.
Yes, yes,
So
I
the
am.
places have switched now. Now you are mentoring people. You are giving them the inspiration.
Yeah, that is a cool kind of a feeling because
Yeah, exactly.
being a contestant, you learn from an experienced people, and now you are ready. I don't know whether I'm ready, but now you're gonna, it's like a legacy. It's like giving you, sharing your
Your
information, your
knowledge,
experience
your
to a newcomer, who will
yeah.
later be, who will later come into my position, and he will
Yes.
also share the knowledge to the other, who's coming newly. And yeah, it is very good. Sharing of knowledge is really good, and it needs to be appreciated. And yeah, it is good. It is a cool feeling. Yeah, it is.
Okay. So you said that you hated dancing when you were young. But I
Yeah,
was like going through your Instagram and then I saw a picture of you. You were very young and very tiny and very cute. In that you were wearing
thank
all
you.
this this all Bharatnatyam dress and you were looking so pretty in that. So what was the story
Thank you.
about that?
Yeah, as I said, it was the picture that I posted on Instagram was my first dance stage where I performed for the first time.
In
It was in the
in the
temple. It was for
temple.
the Navaratri. Yeah,
Okay. Okay, okay.
that was my new clothes and all that. Whatever I told you
Yes, yes,
before.
yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So that is the,
Okay. So apart from being a dancer, you're an actor also. You are
yeah, I
now
am.
yeah, you are. So how is the experience? Like how has it changed? How difficult it, like how much there's this difference?
So the difference is that actually I wanted to achieve only in dancing. So I didn't think
Okay.
about acting and all that. So but suddenly I got this opportunity to act, and I wanted to give it a try. So
Okay.
I just entered. I'm just a newcomer. But
Okay.
to be frank, when comparing to dancing, I'm not well versed in acting because I've just entered now, and
Yeah,
I'm a
yeah.
learner.
You
I'm a
newcomer.
beginner.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it is because even in dancing, you have your basics, and if you're strong with your basics, you can do anything. And
Yeah.
when it comes to acting, you should have your basics. Like you should at least, you should practice, or it's not practicing. It's like you should get into the character. You should feel. There are a lot more process involved in that. So for me, but as a dancer, it will not be very difficult when you do acting because already you are aware of the expressions. You'll
Expressions. Yeah.
learn Navarasa, yeah, in classical.
Okay.
And since I am a classical dancer, so I can easily understand what they are asking us to do. But for me, it is a little bit. I find a little bit difficulty in giving it out. So I'm practicing on that.
Okay.
And but yeah, so as I said, getting into the acting industry, I got an opportunity to do in Zee Tamil Gokulathil Seethai, and
Yeah.
I played heroine friend character, which is a positive
Okay.
supporting role, and it was a short role. And for me, starting with a short role and learning the process of learning was very much, it was a very good process because I got to learn from the legendary actress. Her name is Nalini Nair, and yeah, she's a very big actress. She's done so many movies, and she's now into serials, and she's a very much appreciated actress in our industry. And she's very punctual. She wakes up at 4 in
Okay.
the morning. She cooks food for her family. She takes her for lunch, and with makeup and costume, she'll be on the set at sharp 7:45, and she
Okay.
wishes all the technicians on the set good morning and all that, and she comes to set on time, and she leaves the set on time. So
Okay.
her work is very pure. Her work is very clean, and the way she improvises each scene and each storyline, the way she conveys and all that, it is really very inspiring for a newcomer. And I really thank God because I was able to meet her, and got to learn so much from her, because there was this incident. where I had to
Mm-hmm.
there was an interaction scene with her, and she's
Okay.
actually a little bit of a Billy type grandmother in the serial. Her character is
Okay.
little bit of villain types. So
Okay. Okay.
where I had to come and search for my friend, and I was about to ask her, and I remembered my lines. I read all my lines. I was aware, and I went for the shot, and she was there. And yeah, she just started improvising, and I tried to tackle the situation, but at one point I got caught, and I was like, this is not the dialogue in the paper. And everyone started laughing. And then after the shot, she came next to me, she sat and she told me, this is how you should improvise, this is how
Mm-hmm.
you should, you know, um, make the scene even more beautiful, even if it is not written. If you think you can make it even more better, you can even try. And trying is not at all a problem. And
Yeah.
trying, you need to put your efforts to make the scene, to make our work look beautiful on screen. And yeah, she was very inspiring, and I got to learn so many things from her, and it was amazing. And from there I got to do another serial, but with an entirely different character. It's a negative role. I'm
Okay.
currently doing Vijay TV's Ponnukku Thanga Manasu serial as
Okay.
Billy's friend Monica. So yeah, two
Okay.
different
Okay.
things. So
Two.
it
It's
is
a very
it's
switch. It's a
really
very
challenging.
opposite kind of, yeah,
Yeah,
challenging.
yeah, it is. Yeah, but it's great. I'm learning. Yeah, I will do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Any role you will be learning only new things. Always new things are you are going to be learning new things only.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So I have this question for you from Bollywood. So
Okay.
if you are given a chance to like perform with a celebrity, a dancer
To
celebrity, perform
perform.
as in a dance, yeah, as in dance. So who would it be?
My inspirations from Bollywood male would be Hrithik Roshan sir, because I just love his style, the way he dances, the way he moves. I am really really mad for him. And when it comes to female, obviously it is Madhuri Dixit ma'am, because she's the queen of expressions. The
Expressions.
way
Yeah.
she emotes, yeah, her steps and all that. It's really inspiring, and yeah, she's really great. So if I get a chance, I would perform with them. Yeah.
And who would you like to act with as in a debut film?
Act.
Yeah.
Um, I would say Sushant, but he's no more. It's not that now he's dead and all that, and I'm taking his name. It's not like that. I've really watched his films, and I've seen his couple of interviews where even if you enter as a debutant, he teaches you, the way that is, yeah, like sharing of information, sharing of knowledge. So
Mm-hmm.
he does that, and learning from such an experienced person who can teach with no ego and all that. And you will not find so many people with those kind of a character. Or yeah, so I would say Sushant, but now he is no more. So then, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's only Sushant I could say. But then, um not I don't find I don't watch a lot of Bollywood movies, so I'm not aware of all these kind. But during
Mm-hmm.
lockdown time, it is where I used to watch all his movies, Kai Poche, Rapta, and his
Chichore.
Chichore. Yeah, such good films. He's Kedarnath. He's made and
Amazing.
yeah, he's put me into tears, and now he. I would
Yeah,
not like to tell
everyone.
more about it. Yeah, he's sweet. He'll still
What
live.
about the
He'll
King
still live.
Khan?
SRK. SRK. Yeah, I very much like him, but acting, I don't know. Maybe he's a very big actor, and to
Yeah.
debut with him, I don't know. Maybe my performance level, I don't know whether I would match his performance. So I'm a little bit frightened of that. But yeah, with any debutant actor, I will surely do. Who will be very comfortable, like Sushant and or any other actor. Yeah, I will definitely.
Okay, so also this is a fun one. Who would you like marry from Bollywood industry?
I don't want to marry anyone from Bollywood. Everyone is busy. Everyone is hooked up with each other. So I don't want to marry anyone.
Okay.
I'll just get inspired from them. I don't want to marry them. Yeah.
Okay. So you have worked in so many shows like Dance Kerala Dance, Dancing Khiladi, and Dance Jodi Dance 3.0. So like what changes have you felt from like how you were in your 12th to how your what has this journey changed, how has this journey changed for you, for your life, exposure, experience, all these?
So yeah, every the turning point in my life was winning the title of Dancing Kiladis, and from there, my life, I got into the acting field also now. So it was all because of winning the title, and now, but I went as a contestant in Dance Kerala Dance because I like to explore more. I want to be surrounded by the people who have knowledge, who can share their knowledge. I want to know how creative they are and how they see a performance. Because if you listen to a song, if you listen to a song with a happy emotion, the same emotion will not be experienced by another person. He'll have a different emotion on what he sees and all that. The perspective is there, no? So yeah, so I wanted to explore that, and it's not only about that. Now I have done so many south side. I mean, like Tamil reality shows. I've done Tamil reality shows. So now I wanted to go into other languages because you'll be able to know on what basis they'll be judging you, and on what point you need to correct yourself. Because I guess I've shown my talent in the Tamil reality shows, and I think I'm well versed in that. But I really want to explore more on the other languages also. So that's why I went into I got into Dance Kerala Dance, and going
Okay.
to Kerala and being there for 8 months. The 8 months travel, the amount of knowledge I learned, and the people around me, their knowledge about dancing, their experience and all really enlightened me, and it changed me. So after the 8 months of journey, I went till the finals. I was very happy about that. And after when I came from that show, then when I did another show again in Tamil, my my
Okay.
my, my, no- my thinking, the way of thinking, and the way I dance, and the way I look on dancing and all, everything got changed, and I
Okay.
felt the change, and it was a good change. So exploring more would really, enlighten you, and it really be great for you to grow as a dancer and to have more knowledge about dancing, and it is great. So it was because of those experiences, and I think I did the I made a best decision of going into Kerala's reality show and coming back into Tamil reality show, because
Is it
now I know
different?
the perspective. The difference is that here it is more of a I would say I've done commercial numbers here, entertainment numbers and all that. When it comes to Kerala, what I feel from my experience is that they're more into dancing, the techniques, the I'm mainly they focus on contemporary and all that. Because if you say contemporary, we'll go only for the north side, and now Kerala is also getting known for
Mhm.
contemporary thing, and we have very good contemporary dancers coming from Kerala, and it is really great. So I my favorite style is contemporary because I wanted to learn contemporary, but I was
Okay.
not able to perform contemporary on the show. But I got to learn the
Okay.
basics from well-versed people and all that, and it was really nice. So when I came here and I got to did contemporary here, I used those basics, and I taught even my partner, and assisted him, and we did the act really well. So those experiences were really, it was really great, and it really helped a lot for my upcoming acts and all that. So yeah, it
Yes.
was really great.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a question. So people say a reality show is everything except for reality. How much is this
Okay.
true?
Now it's getting even more hotter. I would say 50-50. There is
Okay.
reality, there's no reality also, I would say. But
Okay. So
it
like
all
politics and
depends.
all is involved.
Politics are there. Politics are there. They are definitely there. I would say the thing is that the reason is that I would not say the fault actually lies with the audience. I would say because they really
Okay.
expect the show to be, full of drama, and they support those kind of content and all that. So it is because of that, in some way or the other, the luck misses for the right person who really wants to
Mm-hmm.
win, or who's really fit for winning the title, or at least getting into get to top positions, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
So and the fault lies also with the technical team, with the show process also, because um, it is where,
They are commercializing it.
yeah, yeah, right, they're commercializing more, and they put in a lot of masala and drama,
Mm-hmm.
where at one point you really can't tolerate, but you have to tolerate. So it's like that. So reality is 50% there and 50% not
Okay. So now we are going to start this lightning round. So you have
there.
to just be quick with your answers.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll try.
So in
Okay.
so first one is, in 5 years, do you see yourself Pritha the dancer or Pritha the actress?
I would say both. I would say
Okay.
both.
So
In
some.
dancing, I
Mhm.
would, yeah, sorry. In dancing, actually, I would want to see myself getting into other languages and knowing all that. Since I told you I like to explore,
Yeah.
so I will be doing that. And in acting, yeah, surely I would try. I would try my level best and get to the topmost position I can. Yeah.
Okay. So something that you regret.
Thing that I regret is being lazy. Because
Okay.
uh, yeah, you need to practice. Without practicing, you can't do anything, and that is true. And the fact is that everything that you need to practice, you need to put on a lot of effort. Not effort, maybe you need to practice and all that. Everything, you have all the information, and you sit idle, and you do nothing. And I think that's the biggest mistake that you do, and I really regret being lazy, and I have to, like, get on the floor, pull up my socks, and start practicing. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So tell me, when did you get your last proposal?
Last proposal. It is very bad. My personal life is really bad. Not bad. Bad for you people, but it's really very calm and peaceful for me. I've not got proposals straight, like face-to-face proposals. I've not got, because I'll
But
always have
messages
my
and
mom.
all must be very
Yeah,
common for
messages.
you.
Messages are very common. Messages, you probably get so many messages on
Yeah.
Insta, all social medias and all that. So maybe, to tell, maybe 2 years back or something. two
Okay.
years back.
So this one is okay. Okay. So this one is the question of the year: TikTok or
Yeah.
YouTube? What do you
TikTok
prefer?
or YouTube.
Yeah.
I was in the initial time, I was very much into TikTok,
Okay.
but later then I lost interest, because TikTok during the initial stages, it was really appreciating each and every talent, and it was really a very good platform to showcase your acting skills and all your camera techniques and everything. But later
Mm-hmm.
on, it really became like douchebag, I would say, because it was very
Okay.
bad.
Okay.
Yeah, there was no privacy, and they all started
True.
misusing the app. So then later on I lost interest on TikTok. So I would say YouTube.
Okay. So what are the two things that you look for in a guy?
Two things.
Yeah.
First, his eyes, then his smile,
Okay.
then I would see for his character.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
these
what is
three
your
things.
favorite?
Okay.
Okay. So what is your favorite cuisine?
My favorite cuisine is Indian.
Okay.
Indian. I like Indian.
Anything
And I like
specific?
pizza and all that.
Oh,
Yeah, normally South Indian, North Indian, both. Dosas,
oh,
paneer and all that. Yeah,
okay. So chai or coffee?
coffee.
Coffee. Okay. And what is the most fun thing that you did in this lockdown?
The most fun thing.
Yeah.
Um, most fun thing is that I started doing my workouts. I got my set of dumbbells and from the
Okay.
store, and I started doing weight training and all that. And I think that's the most fun thing I've done. And I've got into doing yoga also. So I think, yeah, it's fun. Taking care of your body, taking care of your health, taking care of your skin and all that. It's
Fun
really
and it's
fun.
important also.
Yes, because when you go for shoots, you will not
Yeah.
have time to take care of your diet and all that. And now that you have got time, I think you need to concentrate more on your health, and you need to allot time for yourself. Yeah, and that's important, and that's what I'm doing. So it's great fun.
Okay. So any advice for the young dancers?
Any advice for the young dancers? I would say, because if you have interest in dancing, anybody can dance. It's not that a thin
Okay.
person only can dance, or a person with flexibility. Everything comes with practice. So
Hmm.
you can even go to a dance class and learn, because when you go to a dance class, you'll be under the guidance, or where you can make your basics strong. But if you are learning by yourself, I think you will master it, but it will take a lesser time when comparing to going to class and learning all that.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, so that all that you need to have is, it takes time. It really takes time in correcting and all that, and you have to give that time and space, so that it happens naturally at that time. And you should never give up. You should work hard. You need to put in a lot of efforts, and always pray
Mm-hmm.
to God for all that He has given you, because His blessings and the luck is very, very important. And with all these, yeah, you can really achieve. It's not only for dancers, for any person who wants to
Mm-hmm.
start his career in anything. You need to have you need to put in a lot of hard work, effort. You have to do smart working also, and you should be spiritually connected. So you need to follow all this, and yeah, you'll really achieve what you want to be.
Okay.
Yes.
So see, Pritha, during this lockdown, everyone is learning something. Apart your being healthy, all this yoga and all, have you done something like for example, I have learned cooking in this
Okay.
lockdown. So you have, yeah. So you have done something like that?
Yeah, actually, I know to cook, but I tried
Okay.
new recipes.
Yeah,
We did
yeah,
cake. Obviously, we did cake. We did pani puri at home,
yeah.
and what else? We did all paneer gravy stuffs and all that. I made ice cream, and
Okay.
yeah, but all these things you should not eat, because after eating and you work out, you will not find any results in that. So you have to zip it. Eat healthy and stay healthy. That's what you need to follow.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
stay hydrated.
yeah, always.
Okay, so thank you so much for today, Pritha, for joining us today. It
Thank
was
you.
lovely having you.
Same here. Thank you so much, and all the best for the team. And it's a great initiative what you guys are bringing in this lockdown, because it really keeps everyone occupied, and your aim of entertaining everyone, keeping them alive, and all that. It's really great, and what you people do is very, very great. And thanks to you on everybody's behalf. And thank you for having me here. I had a great time.
Thank you so much. It was, and best of luck for your future.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.